Hi there, this is our Geka Hydracrop 80S hydraulic punch and shear. European made, really good quality, twin hydraulic cylinder, really nice quality machine, and this one's in really good condition. Everything works really well on it, and yeah, it's easy to see the quality in it. It ticks over really nicely. It's got some good features, including the dual operation pedals, so you know the stations can be operated independently at the same time. It's got the 3-position remote pedals on it, so your first position comes down slow. If you put your foot down further, it comes down faster. The first position you can bring up, you can keep your foot on it and it just brings it up to the material, then does stop from there, and you'd push down if you're happy with that, and it would go to the second position. And it's got some other good features there, including the material length stop, an electronic switch on the back there, so you can set it in an auto cut mode where it hits your material length hits that stop, and it automatically does a cut once it does that. Starting from the back, you've got a e-stop here and another e-stop down the other end. You've got your adjustable material length stop here. That's a 2-piece system. It's got a 1 metre bar on it at the moment, but it's got another 1 metre extension that goes on that. So yeah, all that back's tidy. This remote foot pedal here, it's got a crack on the top, you'll see the photo. It's got the safety toe thing here that you have to push in before you hit the pedal. This one's got the top broken off, and that safety toe thing is broken and not working. Punching station's nice and tidy. The angle set up there is good, the blades look really nice, the cropping is tidy as well, and the blades are really good on that. The shear is really nice, and the blades look in good condition on that. And also your notcher here is really tidy, and so are the blades. It's got a option with that cropping that you can lock out with a key, so this has to be down for it to work. Your other e-stop, tidy this end, so yeah, all round it's really nice. Okay, we'll start it up and take it through its functions. You've got the main power isolation switch there. I'll switch you onto this punching station here on the left. So basically I've got it switched in a mode where it just comes down a bit at a time and then stops, and then basically has to get to the end of its travel before it retracts. Otherwise I can put it in its centered position, which is the same for both sides, which is generally where you would leave it. The first stage on the pedal is a slow down. Like I say, it'll come and actually touch on the machine, and from there, if you're not lined up, you can just take your foot off and it goes back up. And the second position is the fast punching one, so you can actually push it straight through the second position and do your quick punch. Okay, so the shear operation there, like I say, you've got the safety feature there with the notching. You can lock it out, etc., so that head guard has to be down for that notching to work. And basically at the moment I've got it on the 3-position switch, which is the fast or the slow, and it's the same again. That first position it comes up to your steel and doesn't do cutting unless you push it to the next stage. And then you can switch this over, same as the punch, and just bring it down a bit at a time on the pedal until it gets to the end of its stroke, and then it automatically comes up, which is what it's done there. And the only other feature to show you is I've switched it over to the auto length stop. So for that to work, it has to be switched over here, and the guard has to be down on the notcher. And then basically I've just gone and tripped that switch, and it's just gone and done an auto cut. So that's that feature. you have to have that notcher down, and then once that material length stop is hit, it automatically goes and does its auto cut, so that'll make it really quick for a wee production run. So those are the features. It is really nice quality, and it does tick over really nice. It has got some really nice features, and it is easy to see the quality there. So it's all ready to go.